Ready to boost your buying power with PayPal credit, but not sure where to start here in the UK? Let's break it down in just 90 seconds. First, eligibility. You'll need to be a UK resident over 18 and have a good credit history. PayPal will perform a credit check, so be sure you've been managing your existing credit responsibly, like paying your bills on time. Now, the application process. Head to the PayPal website or app and find the Get PayPal Credit option. You'll be prompted to fill out an application form with personal and financial information like your address, employment details, and income. Be accurate and honest. This information is crucial for approval. Once submitted, PayPal will review your application, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days, depending on the complexity of your financial profile. If approved, you'll receive a credit limit, and you can start using PayPal credit for eligible purchases online wherever you see the PayPal button. Remember to manage your spending and make timely repayments to avoid interest charges if your promotional period ends. PayPal credit in the UK, simple, straightforward, and can be a smart way to manage larger purchases. Until next time.